Norden Seal Windows is very good and friendly, especially the salesperson, Mr. Parvez. He was very good and friendly and cooperative as well, and he did his commitment. He told me they're gonna install it like in 4 weeks, and I said okay, we can see that 6 windows they installed it, and it's very beautiful. Yeah, the thing is, they helped me with the financing as well with another third-party company, and I went to their office, and all those guys are very friendly, and they helped me a lot, especially if I correctly remember the name is Miss Yulia. She always she gave me a very good advices about financing as well, and the other stuff as well, installation and everything, like for the Windows quality and the warranty as well. And I got like 3 quotes from other companies as well, but I feel that Northern Windows are best.